Do you do sales or manage financials? Do you distribute products? Do you manage projects? Held back by a software that's limiting and inefficient? It's time for a new you. Smart businesses choose Acumatica. It's the first ERP solution that's born in the cloud. With Acumatica, you get to work the way you've always wanted. Enter data easily, generate reports quickly, collaborate in real time. Do you use a touchscreen device? It works for you. Do you work remotely? It works for you. Acumatica works in any web browser, and you don't have to worry about performance. No matter your role, you can automatically create a report, export to Excel, send it to everybody, notify your boss, and get home on time for dinner. Are you ready for a new you? We are. Acumatica. We adapt to your business.